You're watching Infinity Tech. Let's remove a passkey from your Google account. First, sign into your Google account by going to myaccount.google.com. Once you are signed in, click on the Security tab located on the left side of the screen. Now scroll down through the security options until you find the section titled How You Sign into Google. Within that section, click on the option that says Passkeys. This will open a new page listing all the passkeys you have created for different devices. Find the specific passkey you want to delete. It will usually be listed with a device name like John's iPhone or Windows PC. Click on the passkey entry to expand its details. You will see an option to remove or a trash can icon. Click that remove button. Google will ask you to confirm you want to delete this passkey. Confirm your choice. The passkey is now permanently removed and can no longer be used to sign in. You can always create a new one later if needed. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel. You're watching Infinity Tech. Let's enable crossfade on Apple Music to blend your songs together smoothly. First, open the Apple Music app on your iPhone. Tap on your profile picture in the top right corner to access your account settings. From the menu, select Settings. Inside the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Audio. Tap on Audio to reveal more sound settings. Here you will find the crossfade toggle switch. Simply turn this switch on. Once enabled, you can adjust the crossfade duration by using the slider below the toggle. Move the slider left for a shorter fade, like 1 second, or right for a longer fade, up to 12 seconds. Play a song. To hear how the end of one track seamlessly transitions into the beginning of the next. This setting applies to music you stream and also to songs you have downloaded to your library. The crossfade feature works on iPhone and iPad, but is not available on Apple Music for Mac computers. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.